Hello everyone, my name is Natasha and this is the video for my final presentation. I created the last week these different views and I create different home views to receive which one looks better, and after receive feedbacks I choose the last option because this one, because I think I have a good space in the top. It's not, I don't combines me the navigation bar in the top like this. So I could add an image in the background and I like it, and the most users or user tests say me that this option looks really good. So my final designs are this. This is the home view, about us, the history, the directory, in counting multiple option, all the rest of the options will be here. Community news and a gallery, photo gallery. Also in the community and the contact us. I think I have a really good alignment, a good use of typography, and I will show you now my prototype here. Okay, the idea with the navigation bar is something like this. With automatically drop down menu to help users don't make a mistake and found the options in an easy way, something like this. When you move the mouse over the options, automatically you have another options inside each one. So that was my principal idea here. Also, you have the option to return to home, clicking the logo here from Idaho, and in the home, of course. So I think my web page looks really professional, more have a good visual hierarchy and good use of space. It's not all the web page like overwhelmed. It's a good use of spaces. Sorry. Well, I think that's all. Thanks for watching my video.